I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Golden Cloud PR-515 lift chair with Twilight tilt. So stay tuned. This is the Cloud PR-515 by Golden Technologies. This is the model that has the Twilight tilt that also will tilt you backwards. So when you order this chair, it's going to come on a pallet like this. We're going to grab our knife, we're going to cut these straps. Remember to be careful and cut away from you and don't cut into your box. And now we can take the lid off. And I like the way Golden does this, how you can just lift the box off. You don't have to cut the sides. It's a lot safer on the chair. Perfect. And now up top we have our back. So the backrest does ship separately. We have all our different wires. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I'm going to leave it in the fabric so I don't scratch it, or in the plastic. I'm going to set this to the side. We'll go ahead and remove the plastic here. And we can see our lift chair sitting on the pallet. Now, I'm looking in the back here. You can't really see it, but there's a cardboard box taped to it. I'm going to cut that off, and we'll see what that is. Okay, so this is our lithium battery backup and our power cable for the chair. So I'll set this somewhere to the side. Then in the left-hand pouch, we have our owner's manual. So it looks like on the side, this is our heat and massage remote. So I'll stick that back in here. And then this one should have your regular remote control on this side. Yes, so here's our remote. We'll keep that tucked away for now. And I don't think anything else is, in the way before I remove this from the pallet. Now to remove this from the pallet, I recommend a second person. This is kind of a heavier chair. So I'm going to get a second person. We're going to both grab a side and lift it out. Thank you. And now I'm going to take a moment and kind of clean up everything. Then we're going to install the back on the back of the chair. So stay tuned. Before we stick the back on, I just wanted to take a moment to go over the wiring before I have that back in the way. So what you're looking for, you're going to have a red and black plug and corresponding plugs in your backrest. So just make sure you have all these out. Sometimes they can be tucked out of the way. So I have these. This was zip tied. This is our main power. This is what's going to go into your battery backup. So I have the zip tie cut away and it's set to the side so I can plug it in. And then locate these ports right here. There's two white ones and a yellow one. There's a yellow plug and two white plugs on your backrest, and that's where they're going to eventually plug into. So now that all my cords have been located, I'm going to go ahead and insert the back on. The back has a slider that's going to go right here on these two, and it's going to lock itself in with a clip on both sides. So now we're going to install the backrest. Now we're going to slide the back on. I recommend a second person for this, just because it's a little awkward to get both sides to line up. So I got John in here helping me. We're going to lift this up, take this plastic off, and now we're going to go ahead and slide it on. Whoa. So I got them lined up, and we push down, you should hear a click. There we go. You hear two clicks. What I like to do is the pull test. I like to kind of grab under there, see if I can pull it up, just to double check that it's locked in. This is locked in. If it slides back up, go ahead and try it again, but that is how you attach the back. Now I've got this tucked out of the way. We're going to connect our cables. So we're going to go black to black. Make sure you close that. That's what holds it in place. Red to red. And it can only go in one way. These are sized. Then we have these that are hanging down. We have these two white ones that are going to go in this box I mentioned earlier. 1, 2. And then last we have that yellow plug. It's hanging down over here. This is going to go in the yellow port. Make sure that's clicked in. Now we're going to attach our power. So this is our battery. I've unboxed it This is a lithium battery backup. So we're going to slide this in, make sure it's connected. And what this is it's a battery backup in case you lose power and you're in like a tilted position or something. It gives you enough power so you can actually get out of the chair. You're not stuck in it should a power outage occur. So one end goes here, this end goes to the other side. Then this cable that we cut loose earlier, it's zip tied, so if you need more length, you can undo that. You'll plug it into here. Again, this is sized. Close that latch. The other end is going to go into your wall outlet. And then I'll just bring this Velcro back down and Velcro it to the side. Now we've got the back on, I have the power connected, and I checked the remote, everything works, functions well. So that's actually it. This is a very easy lift chair to install. Once you slide the back on and connect the wires, you are good to go. So this has been the unboxing and assembly of the golden PR-515. This is the cloud lift recliner with the Twilight tilt. So if you're interested in this unit, I got a link in the description below that has pricing where you can order one. I will also have a link to the full review and demonstration of this video. And then if you're interested and have any questions, just give us a call. We'd love to speak with you. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.